Social Studies Lesson 11 Healthcare. Students, today we are going to read the chapter Healthcare. People in olden times used to think that diseases were caused by evil spirits. To cure them, they worshipped gods and goddesses. Today we know how diseases are caused. We can control diseases. We now live longer and lead healthier lives. Let us read about the developments in the field of medicines. Clinical thermometer. If we have fever, what is the instrument we use to find out the temperature? We use a thermometer to find the temperature of the body. The thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. The clinical thermometer is a simple glass tube with a bulb-like shape at one end. This bulb-like shape is filled with mercury. The tube has markings of degrees in Fahrenheit, from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. A normal healthy person has a temperature of 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So you must remember the normal temperature of the body. Now, how is the fever tested? The thermometer is put under the armpit or in the mouth to find out the temperature. Stethoscope. Doctors generally carry an instrument around their neck. You must have seen. Can you name it? It is the stethoscope. It is used to find out the condition of the patient's heart and lungs. It was invented by René Laennec in 1860. There is an interesting story behind this invention. Once, Laennec noticed two children sitting at two ends of the log of a wood. They were whispering through the log. When Laennec asked them, they said they could hear the faintest sound through the log. He went back to his clinic and tried the same thing with a rolled up newspaper on his patient. He could hear the patient's heartbeat. He could also hear the sound produced by air while moving in and out of the lungs. This led to the invention of stethoscope. Microscope. Lenses were known to us about 400 years ago. They were used to make spectacles. In 1590, Zachariah Janssen discovered that if a fly is seen by keeping one lens behind another, it looks very big. They used this observation to make a toy called flea glass. It became very popular among the children at that time. Soon, Galileo, the famous Italian scientist, came across this toy. He used the idea of combining two lenses to make a device called microscope. Since then, the microscope has been greatly improved. With the help of microscope, scientists were able to see microorganisms like bacteria for the first time. So, do you know, students? Today we have many powerful microscopes. The electron microscope magnifies an object millions of times. X-rays. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1896. We use X-rays to locate fractures in the body. Besides X-rays, we have very sophisticated machines like CAT scan, computerized axial tomography, ultrasound and MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. These machines help the doctors to get a complete picture of the organs of the body. ECG, electrocardiograph machine and EEG electroencephalogram are used to monitor heart and brain respectively. Now we come to laser. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It is used to perform operations without cutting up the body. Surgery. Surgery means repair, removal or replacement of damaged part or organ of the body. Surgery needs a variety of medicines and instruments. Today, surgery is quite safe. Doctors can replace a damaged heart with a healthy heart. This is called heart transplantation. Surgery is used to operate upon brain, liver, kidney and other internal organs. Modern surgery has made life safer and longer. Star fact: the first heart transplantation was done by Dr. Christian Barnard. Medicines. In the past, people were very superstitious. They believed that diseases were caused due to one's bad deeds or by evil spirits. They went to witch doctors or magicians, we call them tantric, to get cured. Modern medicines have brought a great deal of change among people's attitude. The discovery of quinine helped in the treatment of malaria. Antibiotics. Penicillin was the first antibiotic to be discovered. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Antibiotics are drugs which check the growth and spread of germs. Chloromycetin and streptomycetin were discovered later. Vaccination. Prevention of disease through vaccination. Through vaccination, the body is made to develop a defense system which makes it immune from disease. Smallpox, a dreaded disease in 18th century, many people died of it, and those who survived had scars on their face. This disease caught the attention of Dr. Edward Jenner. Thus, anti-smallpox vaccine was discovered by him. Many other vaccines were later developed to prevent persons from diseases like diphtheria, polio, measles, tetanus, etc. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist. Louis Pasteur discovered vaccination for rabies, a deadly disease. He proved that germs carry disease from one person to another. He discovered that heating kills germs. He found that if milk is heated for half an hour, then cooled, suddenly the germs in it are killed. This process is now called pasteurization in his honor. The milk and butter we eat are pasteurized. Chloroform. James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in medicine. It is used to make a person unconscious. Before an operation, a person is made unconscious so that he does not feel pain. Joseph Lister. With the discovery of chloroform, surgical pain was reduced, but half of the patient died due to infection of wounds by germs. Joseph Lister found that carbolic acid can be used in operation theatres to kill germs. Carbolic acid did not injure body tissues also. He also started the practice of sterilization of surgical instruments. During sterilization, instruments are cleaned in boiling water to make them free from germs. So students, these days we are fighting this disease COVID-19, and till now we have not got any vaccine to prevent this disease from spreading. So now the basic healthcare we should keep in mind. Basic healthcare. We have developed many simple ways to control the spread of diseases. Some of these ways are: keep yourself and your surroundings clean, eat a balanced diet, do regular exercise, drink clean water. So students, now the history of instruments like thermometer, microscope, which have made advancement in medical fields possible, clear to you. The contribution of eminent scientists in the field of medicines and latest discoveries in field of medicines, and try to keep yourself healthy and fit, active by practicing yoga, jogging, walking, outdoor games, swimming in summers. Thank you.